This video, I'm going to go over this VOLISUN ceiling fan with lights. So this thing right here actually has a remote, it uses an app, and it's got a fan and a light all in one. Now I have something similar going on right here, but the remote function stopped working on this thing. So I'm going to actually remove this smaller one and then go with this larger one. And this one is a little better quality, and I think it's going to last a lot longer for the fact it actually has this app with it. So if the remote dead batteries or it doesn't work, I can always open my app and adjust my fan and lights. So let's go ahead, let's get this thing installed, and then we'll switch back and I'll show you this thing in action, do a quick review of it and see what all you think, because it looks pretty easy to install. Just 2 wires and a hook. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we're all officially installed. Check this thing out. There it is. It looks great, everybody. The light is nice and bright. The fan works perfectly. I'm going to show you all the features here. So to install it, it was very easy. I went ahead and got a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, but they give you this right here. If you actually don't have any tools, you can use that. I did have to kind of use some tape to tape up my wires, but you have the little wire twist ties. You get 4 of these little guys right here and some hardware. I use their screw. You're going to take the base off and then screw the base to the ceiling, and then just hang this, wire it. It's only 2 wires, a black and a white, and then pop it on there. Very simple to do. You're going to remove that fan blade right there by unscrewing that bolt. And to work the light, so we don't need the manual here, I've already downloaded the app, but I'm going to show you using the remote. So with power on it right here, I can go all off, on, works perfectly. There's all off, that was off and on. I've got a night mode right there. Let's turn it back up. There's an up and a down. There's different modes. You guys see the different temperature modes, very nice. And it's adjustable, so I can go all the way up. Check that out. You just want to go like dim, down like that. But it's pretty bright. It's actually really bright in here. It brightens up better than my other one does. Now the fan mode, I'm not just going to show you. There's 1, hit the fan mode 1. You see that? It starts, there is a forward and a reverse. Let's just go 6. So it goes 1 through 6. It's very quiet. I don't know if you can hear it in the camera, but that is very quiet. Temperature adjustment, watch that. See that? It just changed temperature. App mode, back on. To pair the app, turn the light switch off, turn it back on, and within 5 seconds, hit that pair button, and it pairs automatically. It just worked perfectly. So the fan, if I want to slow the fan down or turn the fan off, hit that middle button. App works great. I don't see any problems with that. Night mode, bam. Night mode works great. Turn the light back up. There's everything all the way up. Everybody, I don't see any issues with this fan at all. I think it's going to be a great addition to anyone that's just looking to get a good, affordable fan to kind of keep your house a little cooler. I have an air conditioner also, but this helps with circulate the air, especially on those days where you don't need to run an air conditioner, but you just want to circulate the air. And the fact that you have a remote, I'm going to mount this remote somewhere up here. You get a little mounting bracket. It does need 2 AAA batteries that you need to have. It didn't supply the AAA batteries. Oh, I just noticed they have the app on the back of there. So if you guys want to know where the app is, just look at the back of your remote. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the VOLISUN fan LED light with app and remote. See you all in the next video.